Hi, I'm Mr. eTutor, your Mr. eTutor here at MrEtutor.com, and welcome to video module 5-7. In this quick module, we'll discuss some basic things you want to look for in sentence completion questions. As we've already discussed, the key to sentence completion questions is reading things closely and taking context into account. Now, one of the major patterns you're going to recognize right away in sentence completion questions looks a little bit like this. Questions like this will involve two major portions. The first one appears before the punctuation, and it's basically a straightforward assertion of some type. You'll find that the blank that you're trying to find a word for will appear either right at the end before the punctuation or very close to the punctuation. After the punctuation, which could be a comma or a semicolon or a colon, but here we have it as a colon. After the punctuation, you'll find a phrase that defines the word that should go in the blank. If you look at real sentence completion questions written by the College Board in the College Board's official SAT study guide, you will find dozens and dozens of questions just like this. This is one of the easiest patterns to recognize, and it's something you want to get very, very familiar with. Whenever you see a pattern like this, you know that the word that goes in the blank will restate the definition that comes after the punctuation. Now, there are variations on this pattern to be sure. Sometimes the definition comes first, and the part of the sentence with the blank comes afterwards. Still, what you're going to do is essentially the same. You're also going to want to look for certain key words. Conjunctions like and, but, although, those are going to be important. You also want to look for words that strengthen or weaken other words. For a list of these types of words and some sample solutions using them, please make sure that you go sign up for our email class in the box to the right-hand side of your screen, and we'll send you some. It's actually much more important to notice things like this than it is to memorize every single word that you'll see in the question. If you can't follow the important clues given to you in the sentence, you won't be able to use the fact that you know the words at all. So remember, it's not about vocabulary, it's about studying and understanding the way the questions are constructed. Thanks for watching. Keep watching the rest of the modules, and remember, if you do it right, it's easier than you think.